Thank you for registering with Husky and welcome to our easy-to-use comparator. You may be wondering, how do you get started? Well, simple enough. At the top of your screen, start by entering your total number of workers and your annual salary bill for those workers at this present time. Now, you don't have to give us 100% accurate figures here. You can give an estimated numbers, as what we're trying to collect is a snapshot of what your company looks like at this present moment. Right below that, you can add the contribution levels. You will already see the legal contribution limits filled out, which is 3% for the company and 5% for the workers. You can change these contribution levels at this time or at any time in the future by simply calling or emailing Husky, as none of the numbers you fill in today are set in stone. Now, below this, an important thing to note is what earnings basis would I like to set my company on? And these earnings basis determine what portion of your employees' earnings would the company and the workers' contribution be calculated upon. It could be a portion of an individual's basic earnings, or even the total earnings that the individual makes, including extras like bonuses, commissions, etc. Now, you can simply choose by looking at the drop-down and reading the information against each category. But once you've registered, you will see an additional hyperlink added here that takes you to an article, which will give you even more details on what each and every set contains. Now, once this information is filled at the top of the screen, our comparator will then list out pension providers that best suit your company based on the company workforce and size and the other details that you put in at the top of the screen. Now, looking here right at the top, let me take you through a couple of examples that you see here at the top of my screen. You have the People's Pension and Smart Pensions. So your next question would be, how do I best compare these provider options? Now, simple enough, you can start with the total number of employers and members that these current providers already support, right here below the name of the provider. And right next to that, you have the Trustpilot score. Simply click on the Trustpilot link, and it takes you to the Trustpilot page where you can look at individual reviews of clients for these particular pension providers. Once you've crossed that section, as I'm sure you are aware, when a client of ours sets up a pension scheme, you're putting all your employees into that pension provider's default fund. Now, your employees and you as an employer may wonder what additional strategies and funds are available and how many are there for my employees to take benefit from. Now, our system shows you the total number of additional funds that are available so that you can make an informed decision. And beyond that, once the scheme is set up, your employees are free to approach the provider and look detailedly into each of those individual fund options before they move their funds across. The next point of comparison is the performance of these clients, of these providers and their default fund. Simply click on the performance link and it pulls up a page on the provider that shows the current performance of their default fund for the most recent quarter. And this page keeps on updating no matter when and at what time you use our comparator. Now, some providers out there and many of our clients are interested in whether that provider provides an ethical fund and what their ethical fund looks like in terms of what ethical investments your workers' contributions will go into. Now, we provided an additional ethical fund link, and similar to the performance piece, simply click on that PDF and it will open the up-to-date ethical investment details and portfolios that pension provider is investing in at this current moment and in this current quarter. Now, the last and most important areas of comparison that you may want to keep an eye out for is what's this provider going to cost me? Now, there are two types of costs. There are the company costs and the worker costs. Now, when you notice on our provider, as you can see in this example of these two, you will see no company costs. Now, when you see no company costs, what you're actually experiencing is you're already getting the benefit of Husky's preferred rates. Look at the top left of your screen, and you'll get an idea of how much you're saving with Husky for going with that pension provider. So in this example, if you were to choose People's Pension, you're already saving £500 in terms of setup costs right at the start before your pension scheme is even up and running. The last thing to keep an eye on is what would be the annual cost to your workers in terms of pension provider fees. Simply clicking on the annotation next to the worker costs will bring up to you at the top of your screen what the overall charges are. So in this example, you have what People's Pension's AMC is, or their annual management charge, which is 0.50%, and any other miscellaneous charge they have. Please note that all these charges are annually, and what Husky and our comparator does is based on the numbers and the earnings you put in, it gives you an average of what your workers' fees will be each and every year, as long as they intend to be a part of your company's pension scheme. Now, you can see similar worker costs for any pension provider in our list, and then you can make an informed decision not between just these two providers, but every other provider in the list available to you. Once you're happy and you you know which pension provider you're leaning towards and you're happy to make a decision, simply click on the Select Scheme button. And once you do so, you will be on the final page of the registration and your choice will be locked into the Husky system. In case you do make a mistake and you want to change your pension provider and your choice of pension provider, simply drop Husky a simple call or email. Mention that you want to change your pension provider from the option you already selected, and a member of our team would be happy to help you. Thank you.